Hi friends, welcome back to the StoneburnerBooks YouTube channel. I am excited to bring you this tutorial today. It's sometimes called an instant book, it's sometimes called a one sheet, and you can also use it to make a little zine. So there are a couple different uses for it, and it's really easy. You only need regular size paper and a pair of scissors, and that's it. So let's get started.
Before we dive into our tutorial, I just want to show you an example of what you can use this book structure for. This is just a little one that I made with some scrap paper for decorative elements, and more can be added in.
All right, for this tutorial, we just need a regular piece of copier paper and a pair of scissors. We are going to start by folding the paper in half lengthwise. Then we'll open that back up. And we're going to fold it top to bottom with the short edges together. Okay. Open it back up and you'll notice you have a little valley here. So you want to flip your paper over so you actually have a mountain fold in the middle. Then we're going to take our bottom edge and fold it up to that mountain top. Flip your paper around and do the same thing, short edge to the mountain top. Okay, now you've got your mountain in the middle and you're going to reach in and grab that and make it a smooth fold there. You've got two little wings and you can kind of just push those away out of the way. And it may be a little hard to see on camera, but when you're doing yours, you'll see that there is a fold line right here from one of your other folds right in the middle. And what you want to do is take your scissors and cut down that fold line right until you get to the wings. You don't want to cut this part, but you just want to cut that folded piece together. Now, you'll have a piece that looks like this, and if you put it in your hands like this, you just fold them away and down. And then these are what make your pages. So you can start folding them around and make your little book. Fold that one there and then wrap it around. Smooth everything down. And you have your little instant book. So there are a bunch of different uses for this if you're working with kids and you need a quick project for them to be able to make a little book that doesn't require very many materials or much skill. It's just folding in one cut. Then you could do this. You can also use, like if you used an 11 by 17 piece of paper to start, you'll get a bigger finished book even with just doing the same amount of folds. And you can also make a little zine out of this. So you would cut your, do your template like this, and then you could write front cover, inside page 1, 2, 3, and then when you unfold it, you have your graphic design all laid out. So then you could print everything on the pages as they're laid out. So it's a very quick and fun little tutorial, but I like this book. It's got a lot of possibility. So I hope you'll try it out. Thanks so much for following along, and please subscribe so you don't miss any other tutorials. Bye.